Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to tell you again how to improve speaking skill using a short story. Well, this story is related to the use of simple past tense. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. The pattern of simple past tense is subject plus verb 2. And then the negative form is subject plus did not or didn't plus verb 1. Then the question form of simple past tense is did plus subject plus verb 1. We can also use question forms like what, when, where, why or how, then followed by did plus subject plus verb 1. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. Carol Lee is talking about herself. Last year, I worked in an office. That was before I got a job in a travel agency in Greenwich Village. We started at 8:30 every morning and finished at 5. We had an hour for lunch. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Where did Carol Lee work last year? Question number 2. What time did she start work? What time did she finish? How much time did she have for lunch? What about you? Where did you work last year? And where do you work now? Do you like your job? What time do you start work? What time do you go home? What do you usually do every evening? And what time do you go to bed every night? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.